Now, what happens if you don't have a good product goal? Now, the goal, as the name states already, it gives you direction. So, without a goal, you would be directionless, and that's a huge problem because without a clear direction, the team tends to be very inefficient. They plan things, but they plan in this direction. The next time they plan in that direction, then another direction. They would really struggle to align their work. They would also have, I'm not saying this in a negative way, but they will also have lots of excuses because, I mean, there is no clear direction. So anything is reasonable. Why shouldn't we do this or that? And in the end of the day, you will always be in a strange state because you are now somewhere, but you can't really place it. Is it a good place to be? Maybe we should be over there because, hey, there's no direction. And this is because there are misaligned priorities. Now, the absence of a central product goal makes it hard to have clear priorities. You might even have conflicting priorities. And that makes it pretty much impossible for teams to decide what is most important right now in that very moment. Now, if you work like this, which I've just been describing, guess what will happen? Your stakeholders will become unhappy because you will show them something here and there, and their expectation might be something else, but you never agreed on what is the next big product goal you want to achieve. So there will be misunderstandings, conflicts, and so on. It will also lead to ineffective planning because, as we know, there's a product goal and then we have sprint goals working towards that product goal, always like thinking in outcomes. But if you have no clear product goal, your sprint goals will be not goal oriented either. So you would have ineffective planning. Now, if you really go ahead and you project that into the future, it will lead to a low team morale because the people will come to work, they will be busy, but because of the unhappy stakeholders, unhappy users, all of those things, it's like, okay, we are busy, we're working hard, but it doesn't seem to be going in the right direction. And all of this is a waste of money, of time, people's energy, all of those things. Now, on the other hand, if you would have a good product goal, you would have a clear direction, everybody would know where they would have to work towards, and all of those problems will be solved.